and welcome to an algebra tutorial video learning about single variable inequalities. In this video, we're going to look at some more complicated inequalities, not ones that have already been set up like x is greater than 5, but we got some variables, we got some algebra going on here. We got 3x minus 8 is less than negative 30, and I got 6 minus 20x is less than or equal to 4. And what I want to do with these inequalities is try and determine if a number is a solution to the inequality or not. So in this first one, I want to determine, is x equals negative 5? Is that a solution? Is that going to make my inequality true? And this other one over here on the right, I want to test out if x is 1/4. Is that a solution? Okay, so for determining if a number is a solution, pretty much we just put that number in for the variable and then calculate it out, simplify both sides, and see if we end up with a true statement. All right, so let's take negative 5. We're going to replace that in with that x variable. Instead of x being any number, we're going to make it a specific number. And we now have 3 times negative 5. What I'm testing out. And I want to see if I subtract 8 from all that and simplify all that down, is it going to be less than negative 30? I want to see if that's true. All right, well, let's do some order of operations here. I need to first do multiplication, so 3 times negative 5 is going to be negative 15. Minus 8 is less than negative 30. And now I can do addition and subtraction. And negative 15 minus 8 is going to be negative 23. Is less than negative 30. And now let's see if this is true. Is negative 23 a number that is less than negative 30? Well, negative 23, if I look at a number line, it's to the right of negative 30, which means it is greater than. So even though positive 23 is less than positive 30, negative 23 is actually a greater number. So this is a false statement, so x equals negative 5 is not a solution. Okay, let's take a look at the other one on the right there. So now I've got x equals 1/4. I want to see if that's a solution. So I'm going to replace this value of x with 1/4. And we've got 6 minus 20 times 1/4. And I want to check and see, is all that, let me fix my 4 there, that's kind of a sloppy 4. Is that all less than or equal to 4? I got to check that out here. All right, multiplication first, so 20 times 1/4, I can think about it as 20 divided by 4, that just turns into 5. So we've got 6 minus 5 is less than or equal to 4. 6 minus 5 is 1. And is 1 less than or equal to 4? Well, that's true. 1 is to the left of 4 on the number line. So that is a true statement. It's a true inequality. So x equals 1/4 is a solution. And again, there's an infinite number of solutions, but I want to just, if I'm given a number, like test it out. Can you tell me if this is a solution or not? We simply just put it into the equation, we substitute it in for the variable, calculate things out, and see if we end up with either a true or a false statement.